How safe is cryptocurrency? Well, what do people mean by safe? Is it the worry of losing your money? Is it the worry of people being able to trace your money? Is it the worry of people being able to track your money? Is it the worry of that you can only use it for certain goods and services? Maybe if you're watching this video, have heard the news stories of someone losing a hard drive and losing millions of dollars of coins and now they can never get it back. Or maybe they had coins on an exchange and that exchange got hacked, or there were people that own that exchange that have passed away and weren't able to give those coins to people. If we take the example of the Bitcoin that was lost on a hard drive, one of the things that people don't understand is there are lots of different ways to store your coins. Now, in that instance where that gentleman had all his coins on his hard drive, they were on his hard drive and no one else could access them without his private keys. So he didn't have those private keys, so he wasn't able to restore those coins somewhere else. So not only can you store Bitcoins in a physical location, be it on a hard drive or a server, you can have something called private keys in which, irrespective of the hard drive, for example, you could restore those keys to another device or location. So it's not quite as simple as if you lose your hard drive or your computer dies, your coins are gone forever. That's not strictly true. And also there's a lot of terminology misconceptions around this too. So maybe the best example for this might be if you were on the bus and you had your wallet stolen, you wouldn't ever say that your bank account had been hacked. You just lost your wallet on the bus, right? Similarly, that's kind of how people end up getting all this thing in crypto and Bitcoin confused. You might have had Bitcoin on an exchange or on a website, and that website ended up getting hacked and you lost your coins. Now, the underlying blockchain of Bitcoin has never been hacked. It's never had a false transaction, and it's one of the most secure data records on Earth. So this all really boils down to one thing. When Satoshi Nakamoto developed Bitcoin and subsequently all the other coins that came after it, it was in order to remove the need for banks, remove the need for third parties, to effectively, why do I need to go through a bank to be able to pay you? I should just be able to pay you directly, right? So as a byproduct of removing that third party, as it stands today, you can't go to the Bitcoin bank people and say, hey, I sent the payment to the wrong person, can I get my money back, please? That doesn't exist. There is not that facility, and there may never be, particularly for certain coins. The reality of it is that the kind of authority and the responsibility, most critically, falls upon your own shoulders. But the point is that losing your coins in this sector usually comes down to human error, usually comes down to lack of information, and it's no more dangerous than someone having their credit card details stolen in another place, or people's, getting other things stolen in different locations. The reality of it is under the right circumstances, Bitcoin and crypto can be the safest way to store finance. It's just that a lot of misconceptions lie around the wider system, and it's often a misunderstanding that makes people think that it's inherently dangerous. And that's not exactly the case. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto. I hope this has helped answer some of your crypto questions. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the sector, maybe you've got some other questions that are burning on your mind, have a look around the channel, leave us a like, give us a subscribe, and we can't wait to see you in the next video soon.